Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all will be fine. Today I'm going to explain worksheet number 4. The topic is system software. What is software? Software is a collection of computer programs that provides the instructions for a computer on what to do and how to do. There are two types of software: system software and application software. What is system software? System software controls of various operations performed by the computer hardware. It has three types: operating system, utility program, the third one is language processors. First of all, I will explain operating system. Operating system is a software that controls the overall activity of a computer system. It provides the interface between the user and the computer hardware. It performs different tasks. It allocates memory and CPU time to the task currently being executed. It also transfers data to and from various peripherals like keyboard, mouse, scanner, and printer. Operating system manages the system security and performance. So, examples of operating systems nowadays which we use are Android, Microsoft, Windows, MacOS, Windows Phone. So, here they mention the two example of operating system like Unix and Windows XP. There are three types of operating systems: single user operating system, which only one user can use, like Windows, and the second one is multi-user operating system like Unix, Linux, where two user can easily use the system. Okay, and multitasking operating system, in which computer run two or more applications at the same time. The second type of system software is utility program. It is a system software. Utility program is a system software that improves the operations of an operating system by providing additional and specialized functionality to it. Like it helps to compute to save your system, and it helps your computer to run smoothly. It removes the errors. Like they mention two utility programs like antivirus and screensaver. There are also many like backup utility, file managers, disk management. Beta, your book page number 5, the unit number 1 is computer software. Have the information about software systems and their types. System software, they explain the three types: operating system, utility programs, and language processor. First they explain the operating system, their definition, their different tasks. They explain the example of operating system like Android, Microsoft, Windows, MacOS X, and Windows Phone. Their types: single user operating system, multi-user operating system, multitasking operating system. Then they explain the utility programs. First they define the utility programs, and then they give the examples of utility programs. So by using this book content, you can easily solve your worksheet. Here in your worksheet, you will simply write the operating system and utility program and write down different example of them, and then on below of this sheet you can see three rectangular boxes in which they give the information about operating system and utility programs. You will only differentiate them and write down here. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.